Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials and exploring the top 5 best microwaves in 2024. Microwaves are no longer just simple reheating devices. They become sleek, feature-packed appliances that can do everything from defrosting to baking. So whether you're a college student looking for a basic solution or a home chef seeking a culinary companion, this video has you covered. I've got you covered, you're in the right place, but before we showcase these game changers, do us a favor, hit the like button, share the video, comment with your thoughts, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more tech goodness. Want to get Hansen with these best microwaves? Check out the description below for all the links. So let's get started. Number 5. Toshiba EM925 a 5 ABS Countertop Microwave Oven. The Toshiba microwave oven that features a 0.9 cubic foot capacity, 900 watts of power, and a 10.6-inch removable turntable. It also has a variety of features that make it a convenient and versatile appliance for your kitchen. Here are some additional things to consider when purchasing the Toshiba EM925 a 5 ABS. Stylish black stainless steel design. This microwave oven will look great on any countertop. 0.9 cubic foot capacity. This is enough space to heat up a variety of foods, including frozen meals, leftovers, and beverages. 900 watts of power. This provides quick and even cooking. 10.6-inch removable turntable. This ensures that your food cooks evenly. 6 auto menus. These menus take the guesswork out of cooking popcorn, pizza, potatoes, and more. Mute function. This allows you to turn off the beeping sound. Eco mode. This helps to save energy. Child lock. This helps to keep children safe from accidentally using the microwave. LED lighting. This provides bright lighting inside the microwaves so you can see your food. Number 4. Cuisinart Cubic Foot Stainless Steel Microwave Oven. The Cuisinart CMW100 boasts a sleek stainless steel design that complements any kitchen decor. It has a 1 cubic foot capacity, which is perfect for reheating leftovers, defrosting frozen food, and even cooking simple meals. Key features: 1000 watt power for fast and even cooking, 25 pre-programmed settings for popcorn, beverage, rice, reheat, vegetables, baked potatoes, and bacon, 10 power levels for ultimate control over cooking, easy-to-use touchpad controls with an LCD display, 12-inch glass turntable for even heat distribution, stainless steel interior that is easy to clean and resists odors. 2-stage cooking operation allows you to defrost and then cook food in one sequence. Stylish chrome handle. The Cuisinart CMW100 is a solid mid-range microwave that offers a good balance of features and price. Number 3. Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 Microwave BMO 870 BSS. The Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 Microwave BMO 870 BSS. This is your ordinary microwave. It's a multifunctional kitchen appliance that combines the functionalities of a microwave, a convection oven, an air fryer. Benefits: versatility. The 3-in-1 functionality makes this a perfect choice for those who want to save counter space and consolidate their kitchen appliances. Convenience. With pre-programmed settings and sensor cooking, this microwave is user-friendly and simplifies meal preparation. Even cooking. The Element IQ system ensures consistent heat distribution for perfectly cooked food. Number 2. Panasonic 4-in-1 1000W Microwave Oven with Air Fryer. This powerhouse boasts Panasonic's innovative inverter technology for even cooking and defrosting. It also features sensor cooking for automatic settings and a spacious capacity. Panasonic's inverter technology. This innovative technology ensures even cooking by delivering consistent power throughout the cavity. Sensor cooking. Automatically adjusts cooking time and power based on the type and amount of food. Spacious 1.2 cu theft capacity can accommodate larger dishes and family meals. Additional features: convection baking, broiling, and multiple automatic settings. Number 1. Air Fryer Toaster Oven 15.5 Quart Aonbor Stainless Steel. This countertop multi-cooker boasts 10 different functions. making it a versatile option for those who want to save space and simplify their cooking routine. This oven truly lives up to its name, offering a variety of cooking options. Air frying. Enjoy healthier fried foods with little to no oil. Toasting. Get perfectly browned bread and bagels. Pizza. Bake delicious pizzas with a crispy crust. Dehydrating. Preserve fruits, herbs, and vegetables for long-term storage. Baking. Create cakes, cookies, and other baked goods. Broiling. Achieve a perfectly browned finish on meats and vegetables. Warming. Gently reheat leftovers. Convection. Circulate hot air for even and efficient cooking. We hope this video helped you navigate the exciting world of 2024's best microwaves. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching.